In this video, we're going to be looking at how we can factorise a simple expression. Looking at the question on the left-hand side, to factorise 8x squared minus 24x means to take out a highest common factor of those two terms. Eventually, our answer will have brackets in it. So looking at 8x squared and minus 24x, the highest common factor of 8 and negative 24 is 8. The highest common factor of x squared and x is x, and this will be the factor that appears on the outside of my brackets. Now when I expand out these brackets, I expect to get exactly the same expression that I started with. So 8x times x is 8x squared, and 8x times negative 3 will give me negative 24x. I've now factorised the original expression by taking out the highest common factor, which was 8x. So my final answer is 8x lots of x minus 3. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So with this question I've got two terms, 7x squared and positive 28x. Looking at the numbers to begin with, the highest common factor of 7 and 28 is 7. The highest common factor of x squared and x is x. This will be the highest common factor that appears on the outside of my bracket. And as we did on the left hand side, when I expand it, I expect to get 7x squared plus 28x. So 7x times x is 7x squared, and 7x times positive 4 will give me 28x. I've now factorised the original expression by taking out the highest common factor of 7x squared and 28x, which was 7x. So my final answer is 7x lots of x plus 4.